So guys, welcome back. By the way, thank you guys for following this channel and everything. But if you are new to this channel and you will not subscribe, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Guys, we will take a quick look at this our NAS100. Try to predict where the price will be moving. But before we actually predict this move, guys, I want us to actually start from this weekly time frame. So to be able to understand why we are moving this way and why this such a level is important and why we'll be taking such a trade. Now, if you take a look at this NASDAQ 100, there's only one movement we are all seeing on this NASDAQ 100, meaning we are on a bearish move, right? The price has been dropping, so it is very, very clear. And secondly, for those of you that trade moving average, I've just added 10-period moving average, and price is below 10-period moving average. We all know the rules of trading 10-period moving average. Once it is below 10-period moving average, we are to short it. But if it is above it, then we are to go long. But what we clearly can see, right, for a period of time, it has been below 10-period moving average. Then a little bit of a breakout occurred, and then it's corrected itself. And now it is still below 10-period moving average. So basically, this weekly time frame on NASDAQ 100, we are bearish, right? We all know the reason of this, due to inflation, and to battle inflation, interest rate has been increased, to actually combat inflation. And by the time interest rates increase, it becomes more expensive to borrow to actually run a company. So this is why a lot of stocks has been dropping. We see bearish move on majority of all these big stocks, and once these stocks are dropping, then definitely our NASDAQ 100 that contains these stocks will continue to drop. That is on the fundamental aspect of it. Now I want you to actually take a look at this movement here. There's only one movement we are seeing down, right? We are seeing this is a drop. We add a correction, right? Now this is a drop. Of course, after a drop, we will be having a correction. So this is what we are having. Sooner or later, guys, this correction will be over. I believe by this week, probably Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So the price should actually the correction should be over. Who knows? But it will be over this week. Then we will be having another drop on NASDAQ 100. So as of recent now, what we clearly can see on this NASDAQ 100 is that we are on a correction level. Now, the reason why we are having this correction level is because a key level has occurred along to this place. This was here. Price actually reacted at this level here. Once price dropped, you saw it roll up. So this is a key level we would watch. So basically, the price actually came to this same level again, right? And it bounces up. Now, if you watch closely, I think it is more visible on the daily time frame. You see that price actually broke below this level here, right? But unfortunately, I say fortunately, unfortunately, it did not push down very well. So a correction is being, price is actually reacting at this level currently. Recently, we saw the price broke below this previous level a little bit, then price is now reacting. So once price finish reacting on this level that we are talking about, we would be seeing a drop again. That will now take us downward to the daily time frame. So clearly we can see on this daily time frame we are on a bearish move, right? We are sitting on the daily time frame. This was the previous level we were talking about here. This level we were talking about. So we can take this as a drop, a correction, a bearish correction, then another impulse move downward. Then we see this as a correction, then an impulse move downward. You see that this price impulse move downward actually broke below this a little bit before we add a correction. Then now we add this drop, right? We saw this correction that happened here. If you take a look at it closely, this drop actually broke below this previous lows, and now a correction is over, is in happening. So I believe that this correction would be over around 11531. So I would want to see this correction to take out this ice here. Then once the price actually come here, that should be giving us like a double top. Then price will actually react to this level again, because this is a key level. Price should be able to react at this level and drop. This is a level here where we are expecting price to react, and also price has reacted closely to this level. Once we had this drop, then we had a correction at this level. We saw it reacted at this level here. Price dropped and it reacted again. So now we are expecting price to actually come, and now that price has actually come to test this level. Now the price is rolling back up. We should actually see it come to this level and react. So guys, watch out for it. We are still on a correction though, but the correction will soon be over. Once the correction is over, then we'll be having another drop. So NAS100, a drop is coming, but as at now we are still on a correction. So if you want to take the buy on a correction move, then it is up to you to make. That is for you. Now, to take this trade, we would have to go to the 4-hour time frame, right? To actually take this trade. Now, this is where we said a correction will probably happen. Reason is that price once reacted there, we talked about it, and price actually roll up, tested this level, and it's dropped. We are seeing this price coming to test this level again. So this is the same level what I once talked about on daily time frame. Once the price comes to this same level, which is 115, then we should be able to see it drop down. Reason is that if you have to sit on this 4-hour time frame, it's kind of like price. Let us say maybe we are ranging. If you want to take it down, let's take it like this. We can say, okay, this price is kind of tapping this. We can take this top as a resistance level, because we saw price roll up, we saw it came to this level and it dropped. It came to this same level and it's dropped, and we are seeing it roll up to this level. Of course, we should be getting a drop at this level. So on the 4-hour time frame, maybe if you want to, maybe you can wait for this price to roll up, hit this level here, which we will be taking as resistance level, then you can now short it. And if you have to short it, maybe try and short it to this level here again. Reason is that because price has reacted to this level, price also came to react at this level, and once the price drop, we would also see it react at this level. Price do react at a certain level, where price level has reacted to a certain level multiple times. We tend to see price react to that same level. So once price can go up to tap this level up, then we cannot take it down to actually take this level for the day.